Hi to all. I come up with my inside thought. I get it neither books nor anyone. I am going to speak something about knowledge and confidence. Okay, really, knowledge and confidence both plays vital role in our life. I can say knowledge and confidence, two sides of the one kind. We need to improve both ways by reading some books, by listening something, and learning something by someone. We can get some knowledge, but without confidence, how can we express? How can we share our knowledge to anyone? So, confidence also important. Knowing knowledge is not enough to speak something. Okay, at the same time, we have enough confidence, dare. How can we speak without knowledge? So, only confidence is not enough to speak something. So, we need to improve knowledge and confidence as well. Then only we can express our thoughts, views to anything, anywhere, anytime to anyone. Okay.